2005 Lincoln Town Car. Getting a new rear end. This one was leaking there. Oh, my flash isn't on, but it was leaking here and they just kept driving. See how hot it got. Burned the paint off of it. It's gonna be a fun one. Upper and lower control arm, both sides. The junkyard just cut them off. And this top one, get that nut off. Got the airbags there, sway bar here. Hopefully we can get her done quick. Got the drive shaft out. Got the sway bar disconnected. Moved it out of the way. Got the wheel sensors out of both sides. Speed sensor. Got the emergency brake disconnected. Got the top control arm disconnected. Got two control arms. Never seen some shit like that, but it is what it is. What's next? Got the calipers off up there. Now I think I just gotta figure out what to do with these airbags. I think they just sit there maybe. Oh yeah, they're bolted on the top, so we'll just chill. Airbags, what's next? I just gotta do the emergency brake shocks. And what's hard about this, on like a leaf spring rear end, you can get everything loose, sit it on the ground, then undo the back leaf springs and roll it out. This ain't gonna be like that. I'm gonna have to lower it down on the jack. Undo the control arms. Result. Bunch of tools. But that new junkyard rear end is in there. Added some fluid. She's good to go. You might need a junk 8.8. On the road again.